It's the 24th of December. Or no, it's January. 24th of December would be what day?
Is it 40 feet we go down the way?
Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're on Lake Cumberland. That's what's called Low Gap. It's been snowing most of the morning. Got some beautiful
It's the 25th.
snowfalls over there. Ice falls. Look at that. Look at all that ice. See if I can zoom in on it. Yeah.
It's the 25th. You said it was the 25th
There's
earlier.
snow ahead of us. Tomorrow's 25th.
No, you said earlier.
Snow or fog, I'm not sure.
Which is it? 24th, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
He said it was the 25th earlier.
You gotta watch Eric.
What?
You gotta watch Eric. Didn't say anything.
Really narrow this time of year. Where this end of it is.
We're on our 1953,
You lie.
39 foot
Cash right now.
cruiser, sedan cruiser. Which also the same hull was used for a 40 footer the following year. This is our prospective plant. He's looking at it, doing a sea trial. I was gonna ask you if the heater turned itself on and off.
Yeah.
Turns itself off and runs out of gas, doesn't it? All right.
Is this glass or is this plastic? Plastic.
I was hopeful I wouldn't have to get in